Have you ever dreamed of earning a great income from the comfort of your own home without needing years of experience or a fancy degree? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm unveiling 13 incredible remote jobs that require absolutely no prior experience. These aren't your typical entry-level positions. Some of them pay six figures, and many are in industries you've probably never even considered. Whether you're looking for a fresh start, a side hustle, or just more freedom in your work life, this list is packed with opportunities tailored for you. Now, here's the best part. We didn't just Google this information and call it a day. We dove deep, over 100 pages of research deep, to bring you the most accurate, actionable, and up-to-date options out there. So, if you appreciate that level of effort, show some love by gently tapping that like button. It helps the channel more than you know and keeps us motivated to bring you top-notch content like this. Now, let's jump into it, starting with an exciting role that lets you be the teacher to artificial intelligence. Ready? Let's go. AI Data Rater. Imagine being the teacher for artificial intelligence, literally grading its homework. That's what an AI Data Rater does. In this role, you evaluate and score data used to train AI models, ensuring they're accurate and effective. Here's the kicker. Because this field is so new, you don't need any prior experience or degrees in AI to get started. With salaries ranging from $64,000 to $104,000 per year, this is a golden opportunity to jump into a futuristic industry. I'd rate this role an 8.5 out of 10 because of its high earning potential and ease of entry. Speaking of behind-the-scenes roles, let's move into the world of clinical trials. TMF Associate. Ever wonder who keeps all the paperwork organized during critical medical research? That's the job of a TMF Associate. TMF stands for Trial Master File, and in this role, you'll ensure that clinical trial documents meet quality standards and compliance requirements. The pay ranges from $49,000 to $76,000 annually, and the best part? This is a beginner-friendly job that emphasizes organization over experience. I'd give this an 8 out of 10 for opportunity because, while the pay is decent, it's perfect for those who thrive in structured environments. Let's pivot from organizing documents to analyzing data, something that's in demand across nearly every industry. Entry-level business analyst. Are you a problem solver? As an entry-level business analyst, you'll dig into business data, improve processes, and offer insights that help companies succeed. Whether it's a tech firm, a consulting agency, or even a startup, these roles are highly versatile. Plus, the pay is nothing to scoff at. $84,000 to $129,000 per year. This job is beginner-friendly because many companies offer on-the-job training for analytical tools, and you don't need a degree to get started. I'm giving this one an 8.5 out of 10, especially if you enjoy working with data and finding creative solutions. Now, let's dive into a job that thrives in the digital marketing world, one that can turn your networking skills into big earnings. Affiliate Manager. Think of an affiliate manager as the gardener of an online sales network. Your job is to nurture relationships with affiliates, partners who promote a company's products in exchange for a cut of the sales. Salaries range from $61,000 to $107,000, and this field is perfect for anyone who loves people and is comfortable with basic marketing tools. This one scores an 8.5 out of 10 because it's easy to enter and offers growth opportunities within e-commerce and digital marketing. Ready to explore this path? From sales to sustainability, let's discuss an exciting role that's making a difference in the world, both financially and environmentally. Solar Advisor. As a solar advisor, you'll guide clients through adopting solar energy solutions, helping them save on energy costs while contributing to a greener planet. Essentially, it's a sales job with a conscience. Salaries are impressive, ranging from $101,000 to $181,000 annually, and the field is growing rapidly as more people turn to renewable energy. This role earns a solid 9 out of 10 on the opportunity scale. It's impactful, lucrative, and doesn't require any technical background to start. All right, let's talk about a job that lets you tap into the tech world without years of coding experience. Entry-level programmer. If you've always been curious about programming but worried it's too complicated, don't be. As an entry-level programmer, you can specialize in areas like cloud computing or basic web development, fields that are easier to break into than you might think. Salaries typically range from $56,000 to $94,000 per year, and the demand for programmers keeps rising. This one is an absolute standout with a 9.5 out of 10 opportunity score. The potential to grow into higher-paying roles is enormous, and online resources make it easy to learn the basics for free. SAT Tutor. Do you remember the stress of prepping for the SAT? As an SAT tutor, you can help students conquer that challenge and earn earn a great income doing it. Tutors typically make $50 to $87 per hour. And if you're good at breaking down tricky concepts or have a knack for test strategies, this job is for you. What makes this role amazing is the flexibility. You can work full-time, part-time, or even turn it into a side hustle. I'd give this an 8.5 out of 10 because it's rewarding and has a lot of room for personal growth. If you'd rather work with businesses than students, this next role might be the perfect fit. Remote commercial loan broker. As a commercial loan broker, you'll assess and approve loan applications, manage client relationships, and ensure documentation is on point. This job isn't just about numbers. It's about helping businesses secure funding for their goals. With salaries ranging from $133,000 to $239,000, the financial rewards are impressive. However, it's not the easiest to break into, as it requires networking and some industry knowledge. For that reason, I'm giving it a 7 out of 10. Want something more numbers-driven? Let's look at finance-related roles. Financial professional associate. In this role, you'll support accounting and finance teams, handling tasks to keep operations running smoothly. Salaries range from $83,000 to $136,000 annually. And while it's harder to break into without networking, it's worth exploring for those with an interest in finance. I'd rate this job a 7.5 out of 10 because of the challenge of entry compared to other roles. Appointment generator. Here's a role that's simple yet effective. As an appointment generator, you'll reach out to potential clients and set up meetings for your company's sales team. Some jobs even offer commission if those leads turn into sales. Salaries are typically $46,000 to $78,000. This job scores a 9 out of 10 for being incredibly easy to get into with no prior experience. If matchmaking sounds fun to you, wait until you hear about this next job. Apartment finder. Think of yourself as a housing matchmaker. As an apartment finder, you'll help renters find their ideal homes, working closely with landlords and real estate agencies. Salaries range from $101,000 to $114,000, and it's an exciting mix of customer service and real estate. This role gets a 9 out of 10 because it's rewarding, easy to start, and offers flexible working conditions. Pause now to see available positions or start exploring this career path. If you're interested in the tech world but don't want to code, this next role is for you. Document control specialist. As a document control specialist, you'll manage and organize important company documents to ensure everything runs smoothly. It's straightforward and doesn't require any prior experience, with salaries between $46,000 and $66,000. I'd rate this job a 7.5 out of 10 because while it's accessible, it might not offer much long-term growth. Let's discuss a role that connects people and communities. Community liaison. Do you love networking and building connections? As a community liaison, you'll act as a bridge between organizations and their communities, helping foster positive relationships. With salaries ranging from $71,000 to $126,000, it's a fulfilling job that can often be done remotely. I'd give this an 8 out of 10, especially for those who excel in communication and want a meaningful career. So there you have it, 13 remote jobs you can start with no prior experience. From teaching AI and organizing clinical trials to helping clients adopt solar energy or even matchmaking people with their dream apartments, these roles prove that opportunities are out there for anyone willing to explore. The best part? You don't need years of experience or a fancy degree to get started. These jobs are not just stepping stones. They're gateways to a brighter, more flexible, and more rewarding future. So take that first step today. One of these opportunities could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Here are some actionable tips to get you on your way. Take the first step. Choose 1 or 2 jobs that resonate with your skills and interests. You don't need to tackle everything at once. Focus on what excites you the most. Leverage online resources. Platforms like LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and Indeed are goldmines for job listings. Use them to search for openings in these fields. Upskill where needed. Many of these roles require little to no prior experience, but brushing up on tools or industry basics through free resources like YouTube tutorials or online courses can give you an edge. Build your network. Don't underestimate the power of connections. Join online communities or forums related to your chosen field to learn from others and discover hidden opportunities. Start now. Timing is everything. Remote work is growing rapidly, and many of these jobs are in high demand. The sooner you start, the faster you'll land that dream role. Thanks for watching. I hope you loved this video on remote jobs and found the content both inspiring and informative. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions below, and share which job caught your eye. Don't forget to subscribe to the Cash Money Ideas and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new ways to boost your income. See you in the next video.